what's up, Tech Hill here, and these are the most hyped pieces of tech in a while. These are the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds, as you can really see the first glance of it. So you might have followed the startup story of this company called Nothing, which was founded by Carl Pei, the former founder of OnePlus, who is now turning into a mastermind of generating hype for a while. Before taking the product out, it would mean a lot if you hit the subscribe and the bell button for more videos. So now we have the product. It's here. It's a pair of 6000 rupees wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation and wireless charging. If we talk about the battery life, these earbuds last for 24 hours with the ANC on and 34 hours with the ANC off. And the battery capacity for the case is 370 mAh while the earbuds have 31 mAh. So let's just take out the silver colored box from the nicely packed black layer on the top. And now opening up inside, there are the earbuds. We'll keep it aside and let's see what's more in the box. There are some paper stuff for the earbuds. Then there are some extra ear tips in small and large size. And then at last, there is a Type A to Type C charging cable for the earbuds. Now let's talk about the design and the build quality of these earbuds. This is a quite unique type of earbuds which is different from the other earbuds. If we take a look at these, it is quite same as the AirPods Pro as per the top head part. And the bottom part is completely transparent. As you can see the bottom parts of the earbuds clearly. And there are two mics for each earbud for the noise cancellation. Then finally, both the earbuds have two different colored dots on the top. As you can see, the case also has dots on each side. So according to that, we can keep the earbuds inside the case. These earbuds will stick strongly as you take them near the dots just like that. And now, if you look at the case, this is also completely transparent. The case is provided with magnets on the top and on the bottom as well. Then on the side, there is a pairing button and a charging port for the buds. And on the top corner, there is a facility for holding the case in a comfortable manner. So to pair these earbuds to the mobile, we need an app called Ear 1, which you can get it on Play Store and on the App Store as well. Then inside the app, we need to tap Pair New Device. And we'll just open the case. And it automatically detects it. Then click Pair. Once it is paired, it also shows the battery percentage of both the buds and of the case as well. And then if we click the menu option above, it shows some options of sign in, pair a new device and dark theme. You can even switch the app theme color to white, black or in system default. So now inside the app, if you tap on the Here option, you can change the ANC to light or maximum. And you can also change it to transparency or off. Then in equalizer, you can adjust the frequencies as you wish. Then at last, you can also turn it off. And now in the touch controls, there is triple tap and tap and hold. So in triple tap, you can choose previous song, next song or no action. And then in tap and hold, you can choose noise cancellation or no action. It has the same options on the other earbud as well. Then finally, if you tap on the three dots, there are plenty of options. First is the in-ear detection, you can on or off it as you wish. Then find my earbud, this is a very useful feature. So to find it, just click the play button so that the earbud makes a sound and you can find them easily. So thanks for watching, catch you up in the next video.